Good morning, guys. Welcome to our channel. We are not going fishing today. I'll explain after this. Back. Alright guys, let me explain something to you here. I work 2 day shifts, 2 night shifts. So after my 2 day shifts, I then have a day off and I start my night shifts. So today was walleye day. I was getting up, taking Ella to school, loading up the boat, and going to get some fish. What you may or may not know is my wife Jen also owns Fiery Fitness and just got a new studio. She was there last night trying to paint. Things weren't going very well. She came home extremely frustrated. And without even asking, I am on my way to the studio to paint the studio as opposed to go walleye fishing. You know, your woman has control over you when you go do something and she doesn't even have to ask you to do it, and you're giving up fishing. I have my supplies loaded up in the back. I'm going to pick up a step ladder. It's only one room. It's not a huge studio. I should be able to knock this out by about 1:30, 2 o'clock. Still don't have enough time to go fishing because Ella gets out of school at 20 after 3, so today will be no fishing day. But I'm going painting. So my outdoor channel is now a painting channel. Guys, these are the sort of things you gotta do to keep going fishing and hunting and playing in the outdoors and doing whatever it is that you like to do outside, because you put this in your pocket. Because I don't have many Yahoo moments. So this one here I'm gonna put in my pocket because I didn't go fishing. I went and painted her studio. So a few months down the road, when I'm getting the what fors for not doing something, I'm going to pull it out of my pocket. And she's going to say, that's no longer valid. Alright, we are here. Actually, we're kind of excited. We're kind of excited to get at it, get it painted. Number one, coffee. I think they're only doing it one day, but today's camp day. So if you're seeing this tomorrow and it's still camp day, I'm not sure. Make sure you donate to Tim Hortons for a kids' camp. Second, I'm all alone. But this has been a dream of Jen's for a long time, having her own fitness studio. Like I said, she's a personal trainer, and I'll have more on all that a little later on, but she's gone today. I'm not fishing, I'm painting. Not quite sure how that works, but somehow it worked because I'm here and she's gone. Now this probably isn't going to be the most exciting video, so I'm going to try and make the painting as, well, as Peter McKinnon says, as buttery as I can. We'll see what happens here. Starting with, and just like, there we have it. No, I'm just kidding. I already had that wall done. I just turned the camera around to this wall here I gotta do. Alright guys, the painting's all done. As you can see, awfully humid in here. It's probably going to be a long time before all that dries. I'm going to take Ella home. Say hi, Bubs.
Hi. And I'm 5.
Yes, you just turned 5. We're going to take Ella home, we're going to have some supper, and then I got to get ready to go to work. So that's going to do it for today. Like I said, kind of bombed on the fishing. It wasn't my choice, but you got to do what you got to do. So if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button, the like button, the share button. For God's sake, ring that bell. And come here looking for an outdoor video. It's we're going to go paint video. So we'll see you on the next one. Later. That's because the smart guy that I am grabbed the broken one. Now I got the good one.